What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Look you guys, here in Dollar Tree, we have very vanilla boost this week. I think that's the only flavor. I also just found some more of the Premier Protein and Peaches and Cream. There were only 3 left, and I need those, so I grabbed them. I know you guys love to look at the cleaning supplies. I'm just kind of looking for new stuff. Okay, do we have anything new this week? These are back. The little Lavender Fields automatic toilet cleaners. It says fresh for 2 weeks. And then these are great. The Sure Sense toilet bowl sprays. You guys know the VI poos. They're here every once in a while, but those go for $5.96 each at Walmart, and the pooperies go for $9.97 each. So to get one of those here is a great price. Like, don't overpay and buy it at Walmart. These, I think these are the concentrated formula, because back here it tells you how to break it down and you know what the ratio should be if you want to use it as a spray or whatever you want to do. Just like this little bottle makes over 5 gallons. You could use it as a spray, a floor cleaner, a counter cleaner. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my first time seeing this. Again, we are getting more Method dupe sprays. This one is a cleaner and degreaser and spot remover. Actually puts cleaning power into plain water. This is Cherry Blossom. This is my first time seeing these. I pretty much have all of these in my collection now. The shower cleaner, the multi-purpose. I'm gonna try one of these. Cleaner and degreaser and spot remover. You stand here and you look long enough and you actually find new stuff. Not like I need it, but I will try it for you guys. I love this so much. The Pine Island. We have the LA's Totally Awesome Power Oxygen. We have the Laundry Booster. We have the orange. A few options. These are really good. And these can also be used in carpet cleaning machines. See that? 1 scoop per gallon is all you need. I know there's other really good recipes out there to make like a Bissell dupe. So if you want to add other scents to it, you definitely can. Or if you just want to keep it simple and spend $1, that's all you need to clean your carpets. I'll be trying it here really soon, and I'll be letting you guys know if I'm like really in love with it. And if it did a really good job, I will definitely let you guys know. Dum 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 dum. Yeah. I got it. I won the lottery. Ooh, what's this, you guys? Oh my gosh, you guys. Hard candy. You guys, I just found hard candy. Hard candy velvet mousse. I can't open it. Can I open it? What? Brand new lippies with a little mirror and a case? No way. Wait, and even more? Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the Marilyn Monroe collection. Oh my gosh, you guys. The all over glow drops. I've been wanting to find this for so long. And it's back here. It's back here, you guys. I've been wanting to find this for weeks. The all over glow drops. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Watermelon Glow. That's like $30, $40 a container at Ulta. We also have this Fix It Serum, mattifies skin. This is for problem oily skin. Oh my gosh, you guys. We also have, look, we have the glitter liquid eyeliner. You guys already know this costs so much more at Walmart. Glitter liquid eyeliner. What's the color though? It doesn't really say. Glitter liquid eyeliner, long wearing, plus lash boosting serum. Okay, oh, here we go. Sparkling Roses, $18.35. I think that's all we have. All of these are Sparkling Roses. I'm really not sure what color that's going to be, but I am happy to find them. And then this, the color is Sweet Pea. I think all of these are going to be Sweet Pea. Let's dig around a little bit. All of these are in the shade Sweet Pea. It's this pretty pink. Wow. So cute, a velvet mousse. Pretty, pretty, pretty. More of the Glitterazzi's. We also have the red Glitterazzi Glitter Reveal Lip Color. Okay, I'm really happy that I found these items back here, like so happy. And then we still have the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid back here. Gray, pink, orange, kind of a purpley color. Wow. Okay, that kind of made my day. Let's see if we have any new toys. I haven't seen any new toys in a while, besides the cute Barbie furniture. The little dollhouse, snap together multiple homes. Aw, to build a neighborhood. How cute. We have the pink with the purple roof, and then we have the white with the pink roof. And they just snap together on the side. Aw, those are so cute. Wow. I'm really happy that I found that makeup, and I hope you guys do too if it's been on your wish list for a while. You just have to keep looking. Oh, I love the shape of this. Nice. Cute little glass containers. Oh my gosh, look at these napkins. These are really pretty. Oh, those are so pretty. Wow. Super pretty. Anyways, you guys, that's about it for this video. I'm actually headed out to do some other errands, and then I think I'm going to come back by Dollar Tree again a little later for a live. So you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed coming along. If you did, don't forget to hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.